Hey guys, it's Adri. Welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a beginner video. So I've done a video on French braiding and fishtail braiding, and I'll do some tags up there. This is going to be a beginner video for how to Dutch braid, so we're not doing anything too fancy. Before I get started, give this video a thumbs up if you like my hair tutorials. Comment below if you have any suggestions for me or if you have a certain braid that you're wanting to learn how to do. Just drop it in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my future hair tutorials and help a girl out. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so to start out, you're going to grab a section of hair by your part and split it into 3 equal sections of hair. And for the Dutch braid, instead of going over the middle section, that's a French braid, we're going under the middle section. So the front section goes under the middle section, and then the back section will go under the new middle section. Then you're going to take the front section and go under the new middle section. And this is where you add in a piece of hair to that section you just put under the middle. And then you'll take the back section and put it under the new middle section and add in a piece of hair from the back to that new middle section. So I'll keep explaining this. You're just going to keep going all the way down on this, adding some hair from the front of your head and some from the crown of your head as you angle the braid down to the nape of your neck. So I just did a little switcheroo with my hands here. So I'm going to break it down once again. You're going to take the front section, or the section closest to your face, bring it under the middle section, hold it with your fingers, grab some hair from the front of your face and pull it under. And then you're going to take the back section, cross it under the middle, add in some hair from the crown of your head into that new middle section. And you're just going to continue this all the way down until you have no more hair to add in. A quick tip with my fingers is when I bring a section under the middle, I grab it with my pointer finger. And then when I add hair into that section, I also grab it with my pointer finger. And same with the other side. So basically my pointer finger and my thumb are acting as like a clamp. And that's what I use to grab the new section. So if you see here, I put it under the middle section, hold it, put it under the middle section and hold it. So my pointer finger is always under the middle section. And as you practice the Dutch braid, it will get easier. It might feel weird or awkward or hard at first, but it will get easier. So once you've added all the hair you can to the braid, this is where you are going to just start doing a 3-strand braid. So carefully position your hands again so you can continue that 3-strand braid down by just crossing front section under the middle, back section under the middle, front section under the middle, back section under the middle. You're going to want to continue the braid in the direction it's already going. And then go ahead and tie it off with a clear elastic band. I like to pull my fringe out for this style. So a French braid is when you do the strands over each other and it embeds the braid into each other, so you just see like a little zigzag. The Dutch braid makes the braid come outside. It's kind of like a 3D. So you fold the stitches under each other so the braid is actually on the outside. Okay. My hair's thick enough, I don't need to pancake, but I like it to be pancaked. So what you do is you just pull gently at each stitch. A quick pancaking tip, you may need to go over the whole braid once or twice, up and down, because as you pulled some sections, they will deflate other ones that you've already pulled. So it takes some patience, you'll get used to it, I promise. And then I noticed a section of hair pulled out weird when I was pancaking, so I just took a bobby pin and pinned it back into the braid. So I stuck the bobby pin under the braid so you couldn't see it. And here's what it looks like. I think this is such a beautiful hairstyle. It looks like Elsa hair and I absolutely love it. And there you go. I hope this tutorial helped you guys learn how to Dutch braid. It is one of my very favorite braids. It's so pretty. You can get it so big, and I always get compliments when I actually wear just this. But anyway, I hope this tutorial helped you out. Give me a thumbs up if it did. Leave me a comment below if this helped you, or if you would like to see any other braiding basics tutorials. I could even do pancaking tutorial or tips and tricks. I don't know, whatever you guys want. Leave it down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye.